Hello students, our today's topic is ecosystem and its parts, and this topic is for class 5th. So let's start this topic. So first of all, we have to know about it that what is ecosystem? Defined area in which a community lives with interaction taking place among the organisms between the community and its non-living physical environment. An ecosystem is formed by the interaction between all living and non-living things. Now, what are the components of an ecosystem? An ecosystem consists of two main components, abiotic or we can say non-living components and biotic or we can say living components. Abiotic or non-living components include outside energy source, second, physical factor that determine weather or climate, third, chemicals essential for life. All these are the abiotic components or we can say non-living components of the ecosystem. And the biotic component of ecosystem, producers or we can say autotrophs which help in photosynthesis, consumers or we can say heterotrophs helps in the aerobic respiration, and third one is decomposers. As you see in the diagram, producers or we can say plant prepare their food with the help of solar energy, and consumers or herbivores taken up this food, and herbivores are eaten up by decomposers, bacteria and fungi, and abiotic factors also affect the producers and the decomposers. Now we discuss about the producers or autotrophs in detail. The conversion of light energy to chemical energy is called gross primary production. Plants use the energy captured in photosynthesis for maintenance and growth. The energy that is accumulated in plant biomass is called net primary production. So producers are most of the plants are producers. So students, after the producers, second is consumer. And consumers are again further divided into primary consumer, secondary consumer, tertiary consumer, etc. Herbivores. Herbivore means plant eaters are called herbivores. Carnivores. Meat eaters are called carnivores. Omnivores. Omnivores are that kind of animals which eat plant as well as animal diet. So they eat both kind of products, plant products as well as animals also. Those are called omnivores. Now decomposers. Decomposers digest complex organic chemical into inorganic nutrients that are used by again producers. Complete the cycle of matter. Yes, the cycle of matter is also completed by the help of decomposers. Now we discuss about the type of ecosystem. So there are two kind of ecosystem. First one is natural and second is artificial. Natural ecosystem is again divided into two types, terrestrial ecosystem and aquatic ecosystem. In terrestrial ecosystem, and the example of the terrestrial ecosystem are grassland, forest and desert ecosystem. Aquatic ecosystem is again divided into two types, lantic and lotic. Lantic means stagnant water like lake, pond, etc. Lotic means flowing water like river, ocean, seas, etc. And artificial ecosystem include a cropland, garden, aquarium, park, kitchen garden. Now we discuss about the functions of an ecosystem. The producers, the green plant fix radiant energy or we can say solar energy, and with the help of minerals take from their adiabatic or aerial environment and build up complex organic matter. These are their food. So with the help of solar energy, they convert the chemical energy of food to kinetic energy and finally heat energy. Second, the animals eat up plant and other animals as food, so the energy is transferred through food to animals. Third, when plant and animal die, the decomposers like certain bacteria and fungi act on their dead bodies and decompose them into simple new material like carbon dioxide, water and minerals, which go back to air, water, bodies and soil from where they were taken again. So student, this is all about the ecosystem. I hope you like this video.